this is just the navigation we got going. You can go anywhere, and you can also navigate to the spots. One thing we need to take out is if you step on a ball, it raises you up, so you can see this when you're looking forward there. It's actually moving me up. So we'll have to take the balls, change the way the balls work a little bit. And these things sticking out of the bottom are the, there's a little menu system that's going to point out of the different buttons to show what the buttons do. They're currently not in the right spot. So you can move around. And then if you go over here, it's not going to let you move over there. And so we're on this floor right now. You can also go, it went up, can't go onto the ceiling for some reason, or the roof. But we are able to go between floors. So we're on the second floor now, 2 floors above us. And this is the other thing we need to work on is this is the play area, the space that I can actually physically walk around in. We need to probably make it so that when I go like this, instead of moving this play area right here, I should probably move the play area in here, and I would end up being right here, something like this. So I would end up being at the edge here. And if I really want to do the edge, I can walk over here, and then it all makes sense. Otherwise, then I'm able to walk over the chasm, which doesn't feel very good. And potentially we do a second mode where you can actually go out there. So you could look at the building from the outside. That is about it. And I think the Vive mic is pretty bad, which doesn't actually affect us too much because it seems to still work for doing the turning off of the layers. So we can do hide all layers, show all layers, hide layer architecture, hide layer mechanical, hide layer structure, show all layers. And then we can also add hide all layers. Hide all layers. Still not perfect, but then we can do a separate one for the menu system. Potentially do something where if the person puts this up by their face, we can try and figure out when they might be trying to figure out what buttons do what. So that might be the time when the tooltips come up here that say this button does menu, this button does this button does this. Whereas maybe the menu button up here would turn on and off these things down here. And we'd have to play with these to see what kind of information is actually readable or useful or whatever. End program.